So I just came across this video on Twitter from a user named Melody Cooper, who is talking about her brother who's black, and he's a bird watcher in New York. And so he was walking around Central Park, and he came across this lady who had her dog off of a leash. And in Central Park, there is basically you have to keep your dogs on a leash at all times. And then, man, I want you to check this out real quick.
Please stop.
Yo,
Sir, I'm asking you to stop.
Why she
Please don't come close to me.
Sir, I'm asking you to stop recording me.
Please don't come close to me.
Please take your phone off.
Please don't come close to
And
me.
I'm taking pictures and calling the cops.
Please call the cops. Please call the cops.
I'm going to tell them there's an African-American man threatening my life.
Please tell them whatever you like.
Karen, that is appalling. And look at the dog. How's she just gonna drag the dog like that? Yo, the dog, Karen. Karen.
I'm sorry, I'm in a ramble, and there's a man, African-American, he has a bicycle helmet. He is recording me and threatening me and my dog.
Yo, this thug is lying. You see it?
There is an African-American
But
man
Henry!
in Central Park. He is recording me and threatening myself and my dog.
Bitch, you lying. You look at you doing to Henry.
I'm
Damn,
sorry,
Henry can't even breathe.
I'm being threatened by a man in the
Yo,
ramble.
check. You see how she
Please send
changed
the
the
cops
tone of her voice? That's how white women do it. That's how them Karens do when they're in trouble. You remember in the till?
Thank you.
Look at that shit, man. Like, we got these Karens out here, man, and this is terrible. Like, this is terrible thuggish behavior. So we found out who the Karen was. Let me bring you over here. Her name is Amy Cooper. Let's pull up Amy. Here we go. She's the head of insurance investment solutions at Franklin Templeton in New York City. Damn, look at that Karen. Here we go. Look, yeah, all these people commenting, pretending to be in severe distress. God, these Karens out here. What else we got? Look, and Henry. Look at sweet old Henry. Strangled because of this thug, Amy Cooper. Gotta stop these thugs, man. They're just terrorizing everybody.